Hi guys, my name is Julianne and today I'm giving a close-up honest review of the Eureka PowerSpeed vacuum cleaner. So this vacuum cleaner is very, very powerful, wonderful for all surface types. As you can see, it's got different modes down here. So it's got a high carpet mode, low carpet mode, and a bare floor mode, and then different modes in between. As you can see, I have it on low carpet because my carpet is definitely low. Then it's got a very powerful vacuum bristles right here. Wonderful for picking up literally pet hair, dust, everything, absolutely everything off the ground. It's very, very powerful. Then it's got a very spacious dustbin and then a filter box right here. And then it is very, very compact. Like, it isn't too big or anything. It's just a great in-between size. So very easy to store and very easy to roll around the floor. It glides wonderfully and it doesn't feel heavy on your arms, which is awesome. It comes with plenty of attachments. You got a dust brush right here. Then you have a crevice tool right here. And then we have another pet upholstery tool. And then we have another really cool pet upholstery tool, which is literally like a mini vacuum cleaner. Super cool. I'll be showing you guys that in a moment. It's got a very long cord, which is absolutely awesome with the 2-prong plug. And as you can see right here, I've got some messes and I'm going to go ahead and show you it in its upright position as well as handheld. So we'll start with the handheld position. So let me pull out my handheld mode right here. Boom. And then we'll go ahead and use this attachment right here. So go ahead and slide it on just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and turn the vacuum cleaner on right here. Boom. So it literally picked up all of the crumbs. So this thing is absolutely powerful and totally amazing. And then let's go ahead and try in its upright position. So let me pull the handheld out and then I'm going to attach this right back here. And then I'll put this tube up here. Boom, just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and use it in its upright position. So I'm going to kick back the thing right here. Boom, and then turn it on. Boom. So literally got all the crumbs. So this vacuum cleaner is absolutely amazing. It's so powerful and it has a wonderfully spacious dustbin. So I definitely recommend.